What's going on, guys? I'm doing a recap. I want to do a trade recap of what we did today, and then I want to talk global macro into the rest of the week, and maybe even throw a quick Bitcoin update. So we'll just get into the charts, minimize this. Hope I'm using my old mic, so hopefully the audio maybe is a little bit better. Today, we're just keep grinding higher. So we talked about you really got to pay attention to the VIX, because the algorithms and the way these markets work, these aren't markets of old where people are standing around in the pit. Everything's on the screens, electronic, a lot of machines driving the market, the flows, a lot of dark pools, etc. So a lot of the machines, the algos, they are paying attention to the volatility, whether that's a percentage off the highs or they're actually looking at a number on the VIX. So if the VIX is below 20, they're more willing to step up and buy. And that's why, yeah, you have a lot of shorts, bad shorts in the market from January that people that got run over November, December, turn around and flip, decided to be bearish to start the year on the lows. We've got a big short base that has been getting squeezed, including myself on some of the risk off stuff, being long bonds and long some S&P puts. But overall, there's a lot of buying in the market because of what the VIX because of what the VIX has been doing. So keeping an eye on that. Nothing but lower highs. We did kind of so far make a higher low. Failed to get back below 18. I think the front month actually rolled. But we still need to start. We need higher highs here for anything to change, and that's corresponds with S&Ps making lower lows. So I came in today, bought the Dow, took a piece off, took another piece off, bought it back, sold it out, and I'm flat. And we've just been playing Dow futures on near term long for the last couple of weeks. It's been much easier than trying to sell higher highs in the S&P. So I have not shorted S&Ps for over a week, and today was the first day I took a shot at it. I sold a measly one lot. Covered it pretty well. Nothing really to get excited about. We're short here, came up, came back down. This enabled me to get into. We did sell S&Ps yesterday and covered pretty well. So where are we going from here? I mean, don't really have any great levels. We were looking at pi on the 4-hour. Our initial swing line setup and the first cycle down on this last leg was kind of right around 2640. Happens to be right where pi is on the 4-hour, so that's something to look at. But again, it's better to just wait for the intermediate term to roll over and us to start making lower lows and higher highs on the VIX, and then get more aggressive on the short side. So we've got this rising wedge. I'm sure all the technicians have as well. What else I did today was in bonds. I came in and I added this morning. So this position's out of the money, but I did add a lot, sold it out. So I'm still trying to trade around a core long position. I've got some calls that are sucking wind. And then to hedge that, I covered fives pretty well this morning. First thing in the morning, I sold 19s, 18 and 7/8, covered back here at 114.13. I'll reshort that on any strength overnight or into tomorrow. We get back into the mid to high teens. I'm going to reshort fives. I'm actually pretty much flat fives. And then that's kind of a flattener we've been playing. And then also I did short ultras. I came in short ultras, covered, sold late in the day here, 59.03, covered, and then shorted another piece, and I think my average is like around 159. So if that comes in back down here overnight, I'll cover some of that. Other than that, pretty slow. Gonna play a small straddle on Netflix into the set up for that tomorrow. That's kind of all I have to say. I mean, there wasn't a whole lot to do unless you're playing the long side in stocks. That's just the cycle that we're on currently. I mean, big picture, we're going to be bearish. but you got to be patient. It's a timing thing. As far as crypto goes, now let me do FX real quick. Euro versus the dollar. Dollar's been a little bit quirky. I think it faked everybody out, including myself, going through 115. And now we've, came all the way back through it. So I think there's a lot of people offsides on the euro. But really, the range is 113 to 115. We're back sitting at 114, smack in the middle. I don't see a whole lot to do. What has been working well is buying dips in gold. We had some E-minis that we came out of. And then yesterday we were buying the full contracts. So long, short. It's been a great range. Long, short. I got the microphone plugged in, so I can't use the faster keyboard. It's in front of me. And then here's just, we're trading some of the full contracts, and we got down around 1287, 1288. So I still like gold on the long side. As far as Bitcoin, I talked to my team today that we're kind of sitting in the middle of the range. I care about getting involved back at around 3,200. Maybe I'll take a long. I'm flat right now. Maybe I'll take a long down there, but I'll definitely look at where some of the alts we like Cardano. Last time we were talking about buying at 2 cents. We rallied to 5. I'd love a shot at buying some more ADA down there. And Binance is another one I'm kind of looking at. And then today I was looking at Litecoin. Other than that, I've been really patient. Haven't done a whole lot in crypto. Trying to play Bitcoin on the short side and then buying some of the alts that we like when we get to decent levels. So I don't think you're going to see those levels unless we come back here towards 3,200. We're right in the middle of the range. So we were selling towards 4,000. And now, like I said, we're just smack right in the middle. Really nothing to do, in my opinion. Hope that helps. Guys, we'll see you. I had some questions on how to get involved with us and then the SimpleTrader stuff. So I have a FX account that's US based, 50 to 1 leverage. We're trading, it's a copycat service that ties right into your brokerage account if you're using MetaTrader. So I'm trading through Awanda. But you use this site called SimpleTrader, and you can link up this is a $150 a month service, copycat my trading. You can pick the size you want to copy my account, but any trades I take, they automatically go into your account. You keep all the profits, so pretty good deal. The name of my signal is Jenkins Model FXPA. So there may be an old one that was sitting there. I think there was some confusion about. I'll try to clean that up. But I'll post the link here for that. You can sign up for that. I'll post that in the YouTube. And then if any of you are new to us and my company, it's JenkinsRM.com. You can join the mailing list. And then our chat room, this is really the best way to get involved with us. It's free to come in. It takes 2 seconds to sign up. You can message me in there. We have a paid room that's $99 a month. You're getting all our trades, what our model's spitting back, everything that we're doing. 2 dozen trades a day, typically. Forex, futures, commodities, bonds, equities, ETFs. You can't beat it for a directional institutional model for $99. I also have a live room that is $150 a month. We trade every day together. We're on live in a webinar format, and we're going through analysis just like we're kind of doing here on this video. That's only $150 a month, and we're trade together. So those are the best 2 ways to get involved in our team. And then I have a trading course. I have an options in addition to our trading model here. And then this coaching and mentorship. Not only do you get the model, you get 6 months of the live room, but you get one-on-one coaching with me for 8 sessions, 2 hours a session, and we totally work on you, what's hanging you up, what you need to do better, position size, psychology of trading, your trading plan, journaling, risk management, how to work your size, the art of the size I call it, scaling in, scaling out, flipping, everything in my 12 years of trading career on the institutional side, have access to me. But the cool thing about that is we get to work on you as a trader. So, anyways, catch you guys tomorrow. Have a great evening.